right? Competitor के बीच में भी relationship है, but can you trust those people?
No.
Definitely not. Can we trust Pakistani saying that कल सुबह जय श्री राम बोल देंगे, पाकिस्तानी को trust करेंगे अपन? Yes, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no.
No.
That's how it is. So it's very important. You need to first build your trust, and later you need to sell. So it's just giving me a trigger, so I'll move forward. So first is give first. It's always that. And majority of the mentality, even my mentality also falls into this category. I need to change myself. मेरा एक सोच है कि what do I get if I go to meeting? Why should I pay 800 and go? And I'm very calculating. I come from a finance background. तो मेरा calculation ऐसा रहता है कि I have to pay 800, I have to go, मेरा time जा रहा, मेरा पेट्रोल खर्च हो रहा, मेरा गाड़ी का maintenance जा रहा. तो I'm very calculated. But it's not always. It doesn't work out always like that, right? It doesn't work out. As I told you, when you want to build your relationship, when you want to build your trust, and that is how you sell your product, right? And these are all the investments what you're doing today. You should never think, if you're a businessman, the first point which has to come to your mind is any activity, anything, any action I'm doing, these all are my investments in the business. Can anybody see a photo there? Everybody can see a photo there? No? So look at me, don't look at your mobiles. Please, I want everybody's attention. So moving forward, it's very important you create a goodwill. And what is goodwill? Can anybody tell me? What is goodwill?
Credibility.
Credibility. And
Quality.
quality.
Trust.
Service.
Trust. Service.
Trust. So everybody has their own definition of goodwill, right? And the best and the worst part in this generation is everybody is an author, everybody is a philosopher, everybody is a director, everybody is a hero, everybody can do anything. So you people might have your own goodwill. What does it mean? So like it come out, it says that helping others make you memorable and increasing your chances of receiving your business in more, like creating a value. Like example, I took some products from Nidhi sir, so I liked it. Then later, if I'm not happy and I'm not satisfied with whatever he has committed and delivered, definitely I'll not look at him next time. Will I do it? No. So definitely what happens? The relationship is broken, the trust is broken, and the bottom line, what we started with? Repeated business. Do you think in this case the repeated business happens?
No.
No way. So that is what you need to understand. And moving forward is, following up consistently. This is one of the basic things which we might personally not do it, but we keep telling to our teams. If there's a lead which has come up today saying that, okay, I'm looking out for MBBS admission, I'm selling my product. If I'm saying that somebody is looking out for MBBS admission, and I follow up saying that this is a fee structure, these are the universities I'm tied up with, XYZ, XYZ, and later I give it to my team member to follow up. And once you receive to a place where you call yourself as a businessman, director, managing director, chairman, you think that, okay, following up is not my piece of work now, it's my employee's piece of work. How many people have this thought process? Okay, he's there to join me. Yeah. So this happens. But that can happen in your business. That cannot happen in your network. Because the reason behind it is, those people are unknown clients, unknown customers, which have done an inquiry and you're following them. But we are not clients and customers here, right? We are all businessmen. We are all settled. And if, for example, I say that, so ma'am is telling that I have a lead for MBBS admission, ma'am has given me. I give it to my employee saying that follow up. Do you think she doesn't even know who's my employee? This happens majority of the time. You should never do that. You should personally follow up. Make sure you reach out. And there's a timeline also. There's always a timeline as well. Within span of 24 hours to, यहाँ पे है ना sir, पढ़ लीजिए. 48 hours. Very simple. Next, moving forward, it says that personalized messages. Do you think this has an impact?
Yes.
Like as I love you, you love me. नहीं, personalized messages का मतलब वो भी आएगा ना? In the sense it says one to one.
Obviously, I love you.
Sir?
Obviously, when you say I love you, I will say I love you.
That's what, sir. So we bola personal message makes a lot of impact. but it doesn't mean सबको I love you भेज देंगे. काम खत्म अपना. We can't do that. So this makes a personalized message when there is a lead, when there is a potential lead, or a client has required, or else example in our networking saying that someone from today says that okay Manohar Babu ने अच्छा बात करा, वो business क्या है उसका ले लेंगे, and somebody is giving me a lead saying that, so I have to do make sure I send a personalized message to him to follow up. It's only I, not my team member, not my partner. It is again I. The responsibility in networking groups is completely upon an individual who's representing the business. That makes a huge impact. And moving forward, leverage your networking resources. This is very important. This is something which is very important because most of the people say, हमारा chapter छोटा है. We have only 10 members, we have 30 members. हमारे chapter में 36 members हैं, but meeting को 20 जने आते हैं. We keep listening this time, yes or no? We are not limited to that part, right? DJ sir, I think you never told me that आपके members के साथ ही बात कर रहे हैं, किसके साथ बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. कोई rule है क्या ऐसा?